Welcome to Willard Library's virtual Crafternoon. Today we're going to be making a cute cottontail decoration just in time for spring. You'll want to start by gathering up your supplies. Take and make craft kits are available at the Adult Services desk at Willard Library while supplies last. This project requires one terracotta pot that measures about 4 inches by 4 inches, one faux fur pom-pom that measures about 4 inches in diameter, one white pom-pom that measures about 1 inch in diameter, a paper template for making your bunny's feet, 2 small pieces of stiffened felt, one brown and one pink, and about 1 cup of green Easter grass. Not included in the kit are a pair of scissors, an ink pen or a fine tip Sharpie, liquid glue, and faux flowers or other embellishments. Now that we have all of our supplies, we're ready to get started. Take your bunny foot template, your 2 pieces of felt, your Sharpie, and your pair of scissors. Start by cutting out the 3 shapes on your template. Now that all 3 of your templates are cut out, use them as tracing guidelines. You should end up with 2 large brown ovals, 2 medium-sized pink ovals, and 6 small pink circles. Once the tracing is complete, carefully cut out each of your shapes. You may notice that some of your shapes have black ink on them from your pen. Don't worry about that. You can turn the shape over so that that side does not show. Put 4 small dots of glue on each foot, then stick on the pink paw pads. Once assembled, be sure to give your bunny's feet adequate time to dry. Next, we're going to attach a cotton tail. If you're using a craft kit, you'll notice that the fur pom-poms we're using have a small elastic band on them. This is a good place to attach the tail. Put a small drop of glue on the elastic, then hold the white cotton tail in place until it dries. Now we're ready to assemble all of the pieces. Here you'll see I'm using some faux flowers to spruce up the pot, but you can use whatever decorations you would like. Use the Easter grass to fill in any empty space. place a little bit of glue on the rim of the pot where you want your bunny's feet to go. Then place each foot with the toe side down so that it looks like your bunny is diving into the pot. Once the glue has dried, take the bunny's bottom and place it on top of the Easter grass. There you have it! Happy spring and thanks for watching!